2018 Kia Optima review. With user-friendly infotainment system, an array of safety and technology features, and good gas mileage, the 2018 Kia Optima sits in the top third of the midsize car class. Still, its road manners are nothing special. New for 2018. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 7-inch touchscreen now standard. New standard safety features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and rear parking sensors. Pros and cons. Roomy, adult-friendly seats all around. Lots of standard tech and safety features. Outstanding safety rating. Infotainment system is easy to use. Bland driving dynamics. In its standard arrangement, the 2018 Kia Optima is a polished, well-mannered sedan. Higher trim levels offer options like turbo engines, improved fuel economy, and an enhanced suspension. These raise the Optima's status even higher as a solid performer, all while staying in the realm of practicality. But keep in mind that this isn't one of the sportier entries in the class. There are 3 different powertrains available in the 2018 Optima, starting with a base 185 horsepower 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a well-mannered setup for everyday driving. It gets a gas mileage rating of 25 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. That's slightly above average for a mid-size sedan. There are also 2 turbocharged options available. The turbo 1.6-liter engine sees out 178 horsepower and features a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. It says ST4-cylinder, but the transmission shifts don't always seem to match your needs, resulting in a feeling of untapped power. Its main advantage is fuel economy, with an EPA rating of 28 miles per gallon in the city and 37 on the highway. Out of the turbo options, the 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine is the more satisfying to drive. It comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission and is rated at 245 horsepower, though fuel economy drops to 2,231 miles per gallon city highway. The 2018 Kia Optima has a spacious, well-built cabin and one of the largest trunks in the class. The infotainment interface is easy to use and learn, and Kia now includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on every Optima. A nice array of advanced safety technology also comes standard. Cloth upholstery and a 6040 split folding rear seat come standard in the 2018 Optima. Available seating upgrades include leather upholstery, sport seats, heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, 10-way power adjustable front seats, and a heated steering wheel. The cabin of the Optima is roomy enough to accommodate 5 adults, and seats in both rows are comfortable. For child safety seats, the back seat has 2 sets of lower anchors and 3 tether anchors. The lower anchors are a bit hidden in the seat cushions, but otherwise, all latch hardware is clearly marked and user-friendly. Standard features in the 2018 Optima include a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, a USB port, satellite radio, 6 speakers, a rear-view camera, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and rear parking sensors. Kia also offers dual-zone automatic climate control, an 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, a panoramic sunroof with a power shade, push-button start, a proximity key, power folding mirrors, and a 10-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound audio system. Available active safety features include autonomous emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and a surround view camera. Whether you are using the UVO interface or connecting a smartphone to the system, the Optima's infotainment system is straightforward and easy to use. Drivers who prefer traditional knobs and buttons over touchscreen menus will find a nice array of clearly labeled controls in the center stack. The 4Runner has up to 47.2 cubic feet of cargo space behind its secondary seats, and up to 89.7 cubic feet overall when you lay down the 402/040 split folding seat. Both dimensions are among the highest for a 3-row SUV. In configurations with the available third row, the 4Runner has 9 cubic feet of space with all seats in place, which is among the smallest in the class.